Okay guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. Just doing a video today on a dishwasher. I pick a fair few of these up. It's a dishwasher. I've already started knocking the plastic off. I mean, you can use a screwdriver, start them doing all this stuff, but I don't. I find it a lot easier just with a small hammer and actually knock the bottom out to get to the motor. I'm going to be taking the motors out of it today and the wire, and I'll show you the wire, what I'm on about inside them. It's good wire inside them, so let's get the cover off. Get your motor here. You've got a little motor there, little motor here. I'll just start by knocking the motors off. You know, just one hit without looking it's off. So that's one hit. Pull that out. Pull the wire off it. See one motor. That's one. I'll show you all these in a bit when I've finished. Like I say, you can get the screwdriver on, but it's just tedious work. It's just easier with a little axe or an hammer. One little pipe here. Get this out. That's the other motor. See all the copper wire in there. Now you have to double check with these, because some's copper. And I mean most of them. When I say most of them are aluminium inside. Let me just check. Let me get something on it. Let me get something on it now. Well, that one's copper. Definitely copper. So that's two motors. A small one and a medium one. Little one here. He's over there. I'll pick him up in a minute. Hang on one sec. That's another little small one. So that's three. Two small ones and a medium one. There. What else we got in them? Right, all your single strand wire, I'll tell you about this in a minute. Let me just get it out. Mess, and I'll strip these off here. The reason I'm doing this, I'll strip that bit off first because it's got to get down and it goes through the door. I'm going to get that off in a minute and show you in a minute. Right, so that's all the top off. Right, now let's have a pause there. A bit more wire up. Do that there. Let's cut the household off it. There you go. More wire there. Right, so now, where did I put my axe? Ah, it fell down the side here. What we're going to do now is I'm going to get the magnet first of all. If I can find it. Ah, there she blows. See if the drum in it is stainless. You don't stick on this end, but you got to watch because it'll stick on, be non-stick on 3 ends, then it'll stick on the 1 end. So you have to check all 4 sides. So now let's get a bit of this off. That's good. That side's good. Oh dear mate, there's something there. No, hang on. That side's good. So we might have here a stainless steel drum inside. Well worth. Most of them they're all like, I'd say 9 out of 10 of them. A chrome iron, not much cop, so let's get all the plastic off it. Hit it round here. Bit noisy, but still. Come on. Oh, that's a big piece of plastic off it. Now this one. Another piece. Oh, there's another little motor there, look. See that? See it here? Another little motor. These corners off here, get this plastic off. There we go. Get rid of all that. We're getting somewhere now. Bit more back here. There's a screw there, look, right there. Well, that's that off there. Oh, there's some more wire there, look. But like I said earlier, that there goes through the door. That's why I cut that big bundle of wire off to get it, so I could pull it straight through the door. Get this plastic off, it'll help it as well. There we go. There we go. That's that done. Now if you turn this round, hang on, if you turn it round, open that door, oh look at them stars, okay. Little stars holding it on the sides, I'm worried about that. These are little stars as well, little stars. Right, 2 seconds, I'm going to get some stars so we can get them off proper and I'll show you the inside of them. Right, I'm back. Got me a star. Got me a star on back. Let's go. I'll just show you the other camera. I'm trying to get different angles of it, that's all. Right, so you can see that there. Pull all the stars out. That's that one off. One down here. While this door's open, this is the same style that goes over. I don't know if that's the same. Yeah, I'm going to take the ones out the door because this, the front on this door, it's stainless steel. You can get all the screws out while it's off. Well, while it's open, sorry. undo all the screws, which is a lot of. Right, that front's just come off of that door lock. So I mean about the wire. All this wire there. Just move that out of the way down there. Pull this back so you can see. That's it. That'll pull through nice. Makes a change. Put that over there, my little pile of wire, look. See that? My little pile of wire there. That's so far what we've had out of here. Took the steel out of the way a minute. Put my little axe. Knock all this rubbish off here. Isn't it? There you go. Oh. Right. And that side off, I must have left a pin in that side. Oh, there. Yeah, I have one. A couple actually. Right. Chop that off. Pull all the stuff that's on it. Chuck it in that drum look. Chuck it off at the scrapyard now. Pull this here. Normally what I'll do with that is just give it a good bang, it comes off. And that is the front off the door, that's stainless. So we've got some wire, let's get that there. Some wire, motors, stainless steel, repeating myself. And there I just knocked off, look. Some wire and motors left in that. I can find my snips, there they are. Oh, I must be bleeding. I am. Oh, I've chopped my thumb. I'll show you now. I think it was on that door. It's coming out quite a bit actually. Can you see that? I think I'm going to need a plaster on that. Put that in with the motors. Let's have a look at the damage I've done. Oh, that's quite a nasty nick. You see that? Oh, it's talking. Oh dear me. Oh, that's quite a nasty one. You see that? Up. I'll have a look at that. Keep it through the glove. There's not a good job about the glove on as well. I'll keep it through that to get to my finger. So I'll sort that out in a minute. Let me just finish this video. I'm going to bleed to death. Right, so I've got the motors out of it, I've got the wire out of it, just took the stainless steel door off, but I know the drum stainless because I tested it earlier with a magnet, so we'll have them out. That's a bit of stainless, let's knock the plastic out of that. Put that with the stainless. Oh, that finger's properly gloop, gloop, gloop. So I'm going to get me little axe. Let's knock this lid off, there's blood everywhere. that's all apart now. Let's move all this over there. That's your light iron over there with all my blood on. Okie doke. Off. Where's my tool? Oh, I better get to the. Go and have a stitch for that, because I don't know if you can see that dripping, but it's pretty bad. Light iron. Let's get the other side off. Light iron. Flip that. Get this bit of plastic out. I'll get that off here now, one sec. Where's my axe? Never find my tools, there it is. Right. Pretty tough. Right, that's that off. I'll tell you. There we go, there's the other one off. But yeah, there you go. So, you've got your stainless steel drum, which I'd say there's about 4 kilo. You've got 4 kilo of stainless steel. You've got 1 medium motor, 2, 3 small motors. 2 kg, so there's 2 kilos in the motors. Then you got your wire. This is what I wanted to talk to you about with the wire. This here is single strand wire. This stuff is a lot better than your household cable and your twin and earth, unless you strip your twin and earth. You see all these little plugs? You've got to cut all these plugs off. No plugs, single strand wire, £3 a kilo. So cut all the little plugs off. All these bits of tape off. These little plugs here, these ones are brass. Just cut them off, put them in a little pot. Like I say, all the little plugs, the bit of tape off, that there is single strand wire. £3 per kilo at the moment. Brilliant. Thanks for watching, guys. That was a strip down of a dishwasher. Absolutely brilliant. So I'll give you that again with you. 4 kilos of the stainless roundabout. Couple of kilo of motors and a bit of single strand wire, and your household there as well, just a tiny piece of your household off. But like I say, that all adds up. I'll save it every month, and it all adds up, believe me. And all this I'll save for every month, it all adds up. Happy days. Thanks for watching. If you've liked my channel, please like and subscribe. It's a lot my channel out massive. Thank you very much, guys. Brilliant. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.